Okay, guys, so now that we have our settings set up, let's go ahead and create a checklist. So let's head over to the apps section over here and then click on apps again. And in the top corner over here, you'll see an option to create a new app. And here we just need to fill out some information. So first we need to choose the package. So this is just your license key. And then we can give our checklist a name. I have decided to create a checklist on the Parasite SEO strategy. So simple Parasite SEO step-by-step checklist. So next we can add a short description to show on app. I already got mine pre-written, so I'm just going to grab it over here. And we have some options to add a call to action. So we can add a call to action at the top or the bottom of our checklist. So I'm just going to grab my pre-written call to action. And I'm just going to do both, top and bottom. And grab my URL as well. So next we can add a description for application manifest for Web Store and Chrome extensions page. So I'm just going to grab this exact same description. Okay, so here it cut off. So we have a limit of 132 characters. Okay, and here we have some more options of things we can add to our checklist. So I want to have a progress bar at the bottom. I would like to have bullet points in my checklist. Ads enabled, so this would allow us to add some banner ads. App notifications enabled, so this is for push notifications, and there's going to be a separate video on that later. Email subscription in-app enabled, so this will allow users to provide their contact information in order to access the checklist. Then we can click on Save. And our project has been created. So next, let's head over to Actions and then click on Edit App. And here you can see all the information that we just provided. So you can come back here and edit any info you like at any time before publishing to the Chrome store. Next, let's head over to Theme. So this is the default theme, and we have many options here for different colors. So for example, blue-gray, lime, teal, and the light is a reference to the text box. So here is a light text box, and if you prefer a darker text box, you can choose a darker one. My personal favorite is the blue-gray and light text box. So I'm just going to choose that and click on Apply Theme. So next, let's head over to App Icon, and this is the icon that will be visible on your Chrome extension. So here are the dimensions that are needed for the graphic. I already got mine done, so I'm just going to click on Choose File. So first we need to upload the file to the web app, and then we can set the app icon. And once you see the image pop over here, that means your app icon has been set. You can create your app icon image on any platform you like, for example, Canva. And I have included a link below this video for some Canva graphics, some templates for you. And the size has already been created to match the dimensions 512 by 512. You can use the templates, or you can just look for some new template designs on Canva. Next, let's head over to categories. So if you would like to do this manually, you absolutely can. You can create your category, and then for the category, you can create some bullet points. However, we have automated this step. So I'm just going to delete this and choose to generate with AI. And here you can choose your preferred AI. I'm going to choose Gemini 1.5 Flash, and you can generate a checklist from a blog page or a YouTube video. So for this demo, I'm going to use a YouTube video. So I'm just going to grab my YouTube video link and paste it in here. And our checklist is ready. That literally took under 5 seconds to create. So we have our different categories. So Parasite SEO setup, and we have some bullet points, and the next category, indexing and ranking. And we have a lot of good information in here. If you would like to add a category, you absolutely can. You can add a new category, and within that category, new bullet points. If you're not happy with a category, you can delete it. You can move it up or down. You can edit the bullet points or delete or add new ones. And for each category, you can also add a video or an image that will just appear below the category title and above the bullet points. And another cool thing about the video is, so if you have a YouTube video but you only want to show like a short part of the video, you can add a start and end time. So there's an option to, for example, show just 30 seconds of a YouTube video, which is really, really cool. And I would like to add a bullet point here as well. So here we have a bullet point to use ChatGPT or other AI tools to generate content aligned with identified entities in the desired word count. So I want to add a bullet point here. So I want to add a link for people to use my custom GPT that actually generates the Parasite SEO articles. And just going to add click. So click here to write your Parasite SEO articles in under 60 seconds with this free custom GPT. I'm just going to grab a link. And add it here, and then we can click on add bullet point, and you'll see that the bullet point has been added just below. And this is really, really cool because it's a clickable link. You can add a link for your affiliate offer. You can add a webinar registration or a replay. You can add a link to your website, whatever it may be. Another cool thing is that once you publish your checklist on the Google Chrome store, if you want to make any changes to this section here, so to the category section, if you want to add some information, delete some information, or edit the wording or whatever it may be, once you save all the changes over here, the changes will actually sync up with the live version. So you don't need to re-upload your checklist. Like, everything will be updated in real time. So next, let's head over to social links. So here you can add some links to your checklist. So you can add your Facebook page, LinkedIn page, Reddit, Tumblr, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, or should I say X, and your YouTube channel. So next, let's head over to the videos and images section. So here you have an option to add a video or an image that will appear at the top of your checklist when somebody opens it up. So for example, here is a checklist. This one doesn't have an image, but it would appear here on the top. And this is what a checklist actually looks like. So we have the different categories, some videos, we can checkbox the steps, etc. Okay, so let's save all the changes, and that's it, guys. This is how super simple and quick it is to create a checklist with LeadBlasta. In the next video, I will show you some more advanced settings of how you can optimize this checklist even further.